There are places in the universe that you can't help but gasp when you see them. From the jaw-dropping beauty of the Ego Nebula to the monstrous and unfathomable size of the turd I dropped in the toilet yesterday. Seriously, it was massive. But while the collection of gas released on that event was incredible, it can't even be compared to the largest compacted spherical collection of gas and plasma present in the entire explored universe. It is in your mind. But a close second place is located in our very own galaxy, and it is an astronomical object worthy of being enthralled by. That object is RS-GC 218, or as it is more commonly known, Stephenson 218, the largest star that we know of today. Stephenson 218 is located in the Scutum constellation, which is one of the faintest and smallest constellations in the night sky. I hear you asking already, how can this constellation be one of the faintest if it has one of the largest stars ever discovered up to this point? And to that I say, shut up, I was getting there. Stephenson 218 is actually a very bright star, more than 1,000,000 times brighter than our Sun, and according to this article, so bright that nights wouldn't exist on the planets orbiting it, which is impossible. That's just how bright this star is. However, Stephenson 218 is located 18,900 light years away, which by my calculations is very far. So its brightness is overshadowed by stars hundreds of times closer to us. But just how massive is Stephenson 218? Its radius is slightly under 2,150 times that of our Sun. That is almost the same difference that exists between the radius of an apple and 82 meters.
Wait, can we, search for an object that's 82 meters long? What do you mean there are no objects that are 82 meters long? Did you check? Really? You researched everywhere? Fine. Wait, is this a record?
In spite of it being that large, Stephenson 218 is actually colder than our Sun, with a surface temperature of about 3,200 Kelvin, compared to our Sun's 5,780 Kelvin. This happens due to the fact that Stephenson 218 is a red hypergiant, while our Sun is a yellow star. The color of a star is related to its effective temperature. Red stars are relatively colder than blue stars. So, if you are a star listening to this, your color determines how hot you are. And I just got cancelled. Stephenson 218 is not alone. It is part of the Stephenson cluster of stars, a group of red super and hypergiant stars that extends for 13 light years and is between 14 and 20 million years old. This is embarrassingly young. Our Sun, for example, is 4.6 billion years old. If the Sun had Robert De Niro's age, then Stephenson 218 would have the age of a much younger Robert De Niro. This star is near the end of its life, and due to its short lifespan and the fact that the light we are currently receiving is 18,900 years old, it might have already died. And if that has happened, then a treat awaits us. When huge stars die, they don't usually go quietly, instead exploding in a marvelous event called a supernova. Like my blubber when I unzip my pants after dinner, the matter is ejected in almost all directions at an incredibly fast pace, leaving behind what probably will end up being a black hole. And that is going to be the end of Stephenson 218's life. So let's take a step back and marvel at the fact that we coexist with such an incredible astronomical object. Probably, it might already be dead.